What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to be doing an unboxing with Holley, so stay tuned to find out what we got and what we're working on next. Alright guys, so this is going to be part 1 of 2 of my unboxing. I'm still waiting on a few parts, but I have to get the car ready in about 6 weeks for Ford Fest, so we're just going to jump right in. And I have been dying to unbox this with you guys. If this is what I think it is, I'm going to be excited. It is none other than the... I'm cutting it. So we got the lid. So this is a Holley Hi-Ram. It's going to be the 8.2 deck. I'm so excited to get this on. I'm gonna take out the bottom part and then give you like a closer look. Got some hardware. Oh yeah. And we got some fuel rails. I'll only pull one of these out. Alright, so now that I have the Hi-Ram fully unboxed, you can see it in all of its glory. It does come with 2 fuel rails, but I only unboxed one here. I'm so excited to get this on the car because I absolutely despise my current intake. It's a GT40 intake, and this just has way better aggressive styling. And once I upgrade my motor in the near future, this thing is really going to move some air. I plan on powder coating the Holley EFI lettering here to like a light blue. I'm kind of changing up my color scheme a little bit, but nonetheless I am so excited to get this on the car soon. So stay tuned for this install video. Thanks, Holley. All right, so we're gonna move on to our next box. Let's see. We got a fitting. Got 2 of these. We have this awesome Holley EFI decal, definitely going on the car. I have 2 of them, so. And then we got a Mr. Gasket fuel line, and I'm gonna have to reroute my fuel system because of the Hi-Ram and the fuel rail, so stay tuned for that install video as well. All right, so we're gonna move on to our next box. I actually just got this one earlier this week. Ooh, this is sick. Alright guys, so this is my throttle body, and this is just going to pair perfectly with the Hi-Ram. I just love the machine details. I love the etching of the Holley Sniper EFI logo on the throttle body. I just can't wait to get this on the Hi-Ram. It's going to look so aggressive, and I'm so excited to show you guys what it looks like when it's done. So we have another big box to open. Let's see what it is. Oh yeah, okay, so while I do love these parts for their styling, this is something that I definitely need right now. This is going to be the Holley Smart Coil system. So you can see it. There we go. So I have 8 of these. And if you remember my last dyno video, my dyno day did not go well. I have run out of spark, so this is definitely going to take my ignition to the next level, and this is definitely something I'll be able to grow into when I upgrade the motor as well on my car. So I'm definitely excited. Like I said, stay tuned for another install video of this. this is something that I'm definitely excited to install and get my car on the dyno again so I can reach my goal horsepower number. So we have another box here on the bottom. And this is just a wiring harness. Ooh. So definitely be getting this on the car as well. I think these smart coils are definitely going to be awesome, and they're going to take my ignition to the next level for sure. So a little bit about what I'm about to show you. This is going to be sort of like a 3-for-1. I'm excited about this one. So I have this dual sync distributor here, and I'm going to open it. Oh my gosh. Here it is. And I'm going to tell you why this is a 3-for-1 deal. So I need this distributor to clear the Hi-Ram, and this is also going to tell the smart coils when to fire, and it's also going to get rid of this ugly distributor that I have in my car right now, and all of these plug wires are going to go bye-bye because I have a blank cap on order, and I am just so excited to get this on the car to really just clean up the overall look of my engine bay and really just get that aggressive Holley styling going on. So I'm excited, guys. All right, and last but not least, we have the last box. But okay, let's start out. We got this Holley EFI sticker here. And then this is actually something that's going to be in part 2. This is going to be my dash panel, because I do have a Pro Dash on order, so that'll be another install video. So many Holley install videos coming up. I'm actually really excited. I've been such a huge fan of Holley products for so long, and I'm just glad that I can be working with them. And you can say we're one big Holley household. We have it on the Cobra. Foxbody's got the HP. They both actually have the HP. And, you know, they just make great products. So I'm so ecstatic to be working with them. We got some more fittings. More fittings. And these are the throttle body cable brackets. So definitely need that. And Hurst roll control line lock kit for all the fat burnouts I want to be doing in the near future. So definitely excited for this one for sure. And ooh, we got some more merch. Yes. Gotta love the Holley tees. So we got this Holley, ooh, this is super cute. This Holley original V-neck. Love that. And then we've got this Holley tee in pink. It says Holley Speed Shop. Holley Speed Shop power on the back. Very, very cute. Especially for all the cold weather coming up. And last but not least, we got this super dope Holley Ford Fest hoodie. Speaking of Holley Ford Fest, make sure you guys are there in Bowling Green, Kentucky. I'm going to be there. The Fox is going to be there. And I'm excited. This is my first Ford Fest event. And it has something for, I guess, for, you know, they have so many events. So yeah, a little bit of everything for everyone. And I'm definitely excited to be there. So stay tuned, you guys, for all the install videos coming. Shout out to Holley again. Thank you so much. And as always guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.